James here, and it is currently Tuesday, April 25th, 2023. Today we'll be taking a quick look at the ocean conditions from the west coast of Florida, along Alabama and Louisiana, to the east coast of Texas using imagery from late last week. Overall, we continue to observe the westward movement of the prior loop current eddy into the western Gulf of Mexico, as you can see here. This loop current eddy continues to move away from the loop current into the western Gulf of Mexico with some darker blue water associated with it, as you can see here, coming up off of Mexico. In its place, we have observed the main body of the loop current push a bit further northwest offshore of the Mississippi River. You can see this loop current moving a little bit northwest in a northwesterly direction, and the associated darker blue water associated with it. Along the northern end of this loop current water is a counterclockwise rotating eddy formation located here. Switching back to our SST, you can see that this counterclockwise rotation is pulling some of that loop current water northwest and then westward into the good bottom offshore of the Mississippi River from about the Viosca Knoll area and offshore of the Mississippi Canyon. Another eddy formation has also been observed along the eastern boundary of the loop current offshore of Fort Myers that has brought some of the warmer water northwest over the Howell Hook Ridge area west of the Marquesas. Looking further west, we have also observed a smaller series of clockwise and counterclockwise rotating eddy formations towards the Green Canyon, pulling a little bit of that warmer water to the northwest into the Green Canyon area. The smaller clockwise rotation here, combined with the larger counterclockwise rotation to the east, continues to help pull cooler blue-green water offshore to the south of the Mississippi Canyon. You can see that cooler water coming off right here. And when we switch over to our ocean color imagery, you can see some of that is blue-green water being mixed in with that clockwise rotating eddy moving offshore of the good bottom near the ledges. In the western Gulf of Mexico, we can see the larger clockwise rotation of that older loop current eddy formation that continues to move into the western Gulf. This is located due east of the Texas-Mexico border. This larger clockwise rotation, combined with what appears to be counterclockwise rotating eddy formations located southeast of Aransas Bank here, continues to pull blue-green water offshore pretty much to the central western Gulf right here. A lot of that blue-green water gets mixed in by several smaller eddies along the northern boundary of the larger loop current eddy. However, a little bit of that mixed blue water continues to push west across the Flower Gardens area and inshore the East Breaks to make its way inshore near the Aransas Bank as well. Remember, these ocean conditions are always changing, so be sure to head to ROFFS.com or call our office at 321-723-5759. Again, that's 321-723-5759 to order updated analyses for each of these areas. Our office hours are 9 to 5, Monday through Friday through the end of April, and then we switch to Saturday hours starting May 1st. Have a good week.